This is not true. Am I the only one who feels so uneasy? Every moment that you're not with me, such a pain. Thinking about of how they play the game. I know everybody wants you. They call them friends, the guys around you. For my special reservation. What's this gotta be? Somebody's better than me, better not be creeping up on you, baby. Somebody's better, somebody's richer, charming than me, baby. Better, baby. Better, somebody's better. Better, somebody's better. I know, baby, competition is tough, but loving you takes me far from giving up. Yeah. So tell me, baby, should I be insecure? I know you love me, I just wanna be sure. Everybody wants you, they call them trust the guys around you. I wanna see your consolation from a special reservation. This gotta be you. Somebody you guys. All right. And that song was Somebody's Better, brought to you by At the Corner. And we're called the Mint Magic. And I'm Patrick.
I'm Reynard.
I'm Ruel.
Wala siyang mic. Si JP. Yan, alright. So, we're gonna perform our original songs.
May
Ito.
mic daw siya, try niya. Dali.
JP.
Banat pa. Yung banat. Banat pa.
Alright. So, ayan. Somebody's Better. Ang song na yun, ang meaning niya is, it's a song about insecurity. Di ba? Parang, somebody's better. Parang baka may mahanap ka, di ba? Maraming somebody's better. Lalo na pag...
Mapapalitan ka.
Oo. So,
Insecure ka, baka may mahanap si jowa mo na mas pogi.
mas
Pangit ka kasi.
Ah. Taray, oh. Ayun. Ano
Ayan.
pa?
For our next song, ito ang meaning ng song na ito medyo special tong kanta na to. Kasi 'di ba sa mga magjowa or kaya in a relationship, lalo na pagbago, 'di ba? Laging hindi equal yung pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa, 'di ba? Merong mas nagmamahal, merong sakto lang yung pagmamahal sa iyo. Hindi niya ma-match yung wavelength ng
Wavelength. Hindi
ng
balance.
love. Hindi talaga balance. Meron talagang ganun eh. Paano na lang pag ikaw yung mas nagmamahal sa tao at di kanya masyadong mahal? What do you need to do? Tuturuan na namin kayo what you gotta do with a dessert. What you gotta do? You need to learn how to love you less. For this next song, this is called Love You Less. It's been a while since you let me love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. And I wouldn't mind to give it all, baby, just to please you, please you, please you, please you, please you. But I don't feel it's mutual, unconditional, or is it superficial? Official, official, official. 'Cause you're all teasing, talking, baby, let me feel your love and now. They say true love doesn't expect anything in return. Maybe give and take is what I think we should learn. What we need, what I need. I just need your love and affection. Running to learn how to love you less. Baby, I need to take a little rest. Oh, less. Baby, I need to take a little rest. Ease your worries, I won't let go. Will you give me your trust, your trust, your trust, your trust, your trust? 'Cause girl, won't you see that I wanna keep this thing going on between us, between us, between us, between us. No, I know, I know, I know that you're worth it. It's just that I don't deserve this now. Just let me feel that we matter. Thinking of you makes me so much madder now. They say true love doesn't expect anything in return. Maybe the take is what I think we should learn. What we need, what I need. less. Woo!
Love you less. Parang ano, no? Ang lungkot nung message pero ang saya-saya nung
Oo,
kanta.
yan ang
no?
tip namin sa inyo, love you less.
Yan.
Woo!
Yun yung pinaka-shortcut. Pasayahin mo yung malungkot na kanta.
Oo, yan ang pinaka-shortcut namin.
Para ma-feel mo yung happiness.
Aha.
No? Kahit na malungkot ka talaga.
Yan,
Lokohin mo sila. Kunyari masaya ka.
tatanggalin ko muna yung guitar ko. Yan, may kakantahin kaming medyo special ulit siya. So, ang title nito is Ikaw. It's a love song. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Game, pare.
Sa bibig ko na.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at the corner. Shout out to Silver. Yan. Alright. Woo! Sabik, halik ng iyong pagbabalik. Yakap, tanggap na walang pagpapanggap. Puso'y wala na makasisiksik. Yeah. Nang iyong malasap, iyong mo nang kumurap. Kamay sa ating katawa'y naglalakbay. Di na matugma ang ating paghinga. Sabay, palitan na walang humpay. Di na mangangamba dahil akin ka na. Tapat, damdamin din na maaawat. Sarap, kahit lambing mo lamang ang sangkap. Pagkat ikaw lamang sa aking sapat. Walang sawang sulyap, di ka sa aking harap. Nahiya ang aking puso sa pag-ibig mo sa'kin di matabasan. Sa'yo lang ako'y sa'yo lang ngunit matagal-tagal mo na pala akong niloloko. Binubuhos ang pagmamahal sa anino ng iyong pagkatao. Ngayon alam ko na di na kita kilala. Di mo na maaari pang maibalik ang dating ikaw. Ang dating ikaw. Ang dating Tagal mo na pala akong niloloko. niloloko. Alright, that was dating ikaw. O, di ba?
Dati, ano naman message nung kanta na yun? Ano?
Actually, ang gulo nga niya kasi nung pinaka-latest na ginawa namin, pinaka-huling ginawa namin na kanta. And ang target ko dun sa kanta na yon is gumawa ng malaking plot twist, di ba? Akala nyo nung una, di ba? Parang sweet, di ba? Parang lambingan lang. Tapos, biglang matagal mo na siyang niloloko, di ba? Kaya nung sinabi ko sa inyo nung una, ang title nito is Ikaw. Pero ang title niya talaga, Dating Ikaw. Undecided pa kami kung ano ba talaga yung gusto namin ilagay. Kasi ayoko ng spoilers, di ba? Pag sinabi ko ng dati, negative na yung yung alam niyo na.
Ikaw
yung
naman
message.
loloko.
Oo, ikaw naman loloko. Kaya ikaw na nanonood kung man loloko ka man, tigilan mo na yan. Gayahin mo kami. Loyal kami lahat.
Yes!
Wow.
Abot nga, pari.
Anyway, again, we are called the Mint Magic.
Mint Magic. Ayan.
Yan.
Thank you at the corner for having us here. Ayan.
Yes, thank you to Direct Silver for
Silver.
inviting us.
Yan.
And for Who's Your Daddy?
Who's your
Ayan.
daddy?
Sa ating venue, di ba? Di nyo alam, barbershop to, guys.
Yes,
Oo.
barbershop to.
Mamaya pagkatas papagupit ka.
At kitang-kita nyo naman sa ating likuran. Enchanted Kingdom.
Yun!
Kingdom. Grabe oh. After
Oo.
natin, ano tayo, rights?
Yan. Pa-plug din pula na Pa-plug din po pala namin ang aming socials. Siyempre, Mint Magic. Pwede nyo siyang i-search sa Facebook and Instagram.
TikTok.
TikTok. Ayan, nagko-content din kami ng mga mga kung ano-ano lang na content. Pero ayun, follow nyo kami. Please support our band.
Yes.
Ayan, tsaka Spotify namin, pwede nyo ring i-check. Etong susunod namin kakantahin, out na siya sa Spotify. 1 month pa lang, meron na kaming single. Ang title niya is Sinulit. Yan, please stream siya sa YouTube, sa Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music. Then, nagpi-please tayo eh.
Anyway, lastly, gusto namin talaga magpasalamat sa At The Corner kasi
At
isa
The
to sa
Corner.
mga pinakabagong platforms online na nagsho-showcase ng mga indie artists at mga solo artists. So yung mga ganitong klaseng platforms talagang, alam niyo yung pinag-isipan, tinan mo lahat naka-mic, lahat naka-ilaw, grabe. Actually, ay sorry.
Kinakabahan nga kami.
Oo. So ayun, magandang concept for a startup dito sa
Yes.
OPM, di ba?
Thank you for having us, Mint Magic. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. We're down to our last song. It's called Sinulit. Out now on Spotify. Check it out, yo.
Yeah.
Bakit mo mababalik pagka binawi mo ang dapat sa akin ngayon, sa atin noon? Bakit ba ganon? Minuto, araw, buwan at taon, di man lang sinamantala ang bawat pagkakataon at panahon, niluwanan ng kahapon. Hinahanap-hanap ko ang pag-ibig mo kahit na mahapdi kang magmahal. Kung di na kaya pang ayusin ang bawat saglit kahit masakit. Oh baby, oh baby, sana'y sinulit ko ang bawat saglit kahit masakit. Sana'y sinulit ko ang bawat
Ay,
saglit.
naririnig ko sila kumakanta sa ano. Ang galing nila,
Ang
pre.
galing-galing niyo naman kumanta.
Sabayan nyo kami sa back.
Thank you very much for calling in, Magic.
Ulit ko ang bawat saglit kahit masakit.
That's a wrap.